You want to do these questions? Ganayin mo tayo.
Yeah.
No,
Question?
Nine.
Nine na? Okay. So, maraming salamat. Thank you for being part of this experiment. Again, this is the advocacy of BIMPO. Our advocacy is about inclusivity and body positivity, and this is one of the things that we have been wanting to do since 2018. So, we are very, very honored that you are part of this first show. Hopefully, there will be many more. Maybe we'll tackle deeper, more relevant topics. Sana, but maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-share ng stories. We are very, very grateful. We'd like to acknowledge the presence of the BIMPO, the rest of the BIMPO cast. Members of the Philippine Bear community. Mr. Bear 2024. Thank you for... I think it's nice to acknowledge because thank you for representing us and living the stories that is part of the community. So, maraming salamat for being part of tonight. Thank you for spending a rainy Saturday night with us. And the stories that we tell continue. And we hope that by telling our stories, we actually move the needle. Kasi these are we get only a few moments or very, very few times where we can actually come together to celebrate the stories. So maraming salamat. Again, I'm Toto.
I'm Waf.
I'm Kay. I'm Kay.
And I'm Patrick.
Thank you.
Thank you.